I can just say sorry, but like the only thing I can tell you is that I didn't like, I try not to hurt her. You know what I mean? Like,
Wait, are you saying that you were molesting her, and as you were molesting her, you were molesting her in such a way because you didn't want her to hurt her?
no, I asked her, you put this in your mouth. That's it. And she said no. I said, that's fine. Okay, that's it.
No, this is a penetration.
Your Honor, if what he's pled to is, and what he confessed to is by penetrating the anus with his finger.
Mm-hmm.
And he had told the police when they asked him that he told the police that he did that at the time, which is another thing. He was honest with the police. He told them what he did. You know, and at this point, we're asking for this because we have agreed early on not to leave this on a docket, not to go through the process, not to have his daughter have to come in and, as the prosecutor said, be traumatized by this, have to come in and talk to prosecutors, have to get the phone call from the DA's office. They want it done. They're going through a divorce. He's never going to have custody of these children. He's lost basically everything, including the country where he grew up, and he's going to lose his freedom for up to 15 years, and for a minimum of 7.5. But as the court knows, parole doesn't happen like that for these cases. They're doing 75 to 85% of their time. And so he's lost his freedom for more than a decade. He has done a horrible thing, and there's nothing that he can say right now that can explain that. I think the court's questions of him, how he's confessed to you and now that he has done it. And
No, he pled no contest.
He pled no contest because I advised it because there's a civil case going on. That's a legal advice that he was getting from his lawyer.
Yep. So, I mean, I understand, but he pled no contest. So again, we're back to what were you thinking? Because I'm trying to figure out where you're coming from to figure out whether I should follow this plea or not.
Sorry, Your Honor, I didn't do it. I didn't do it to like hurt my daughter. I'm begging and telling, please. I'm telling you, please. I'm not trying to force my hand in her vagina or in her ass. I basically grabbed her and I put my finger where it shouldn't be. That's it. Like I don't know how to.
No, so the way you're explaining it to me, you're making it seem like it was an accident.
It wasn't.
So was it an accident or not? Because you're telling me you just grabbed her and you're making it seem like your finger just accidentally penetrated the
The
anus.
thing is, I just don't know what she wants. Like, she's spreading her legs at me. Like, what do you want me to do? And, like, she's spreading her whole vagina at me, like, at least 4 or 5 times. Dropping her pants, like, literally. Like, it's not like I'm telling you, like, my actions were right.
I know, I'm just trying to figure out where you are mentally, and yes.
So if I grab my daughter's butt and I throw her on bed and I didn't, like, forcefully